In this video, I will show you how to get a web browser on your Nintendo Switch 2. Now, with the release of the Nintendo Switch 2, Nintendo does still not have any native browser for users on the Nintendo Switch. But obviously, there is actually a workaround for this, and that is what I'm going to be showing you in this particular video. So by the end of this video, you should be able to access the secret web browser that is available on the Nintendo Switch, and you can actually use this web browser to access the internet, stream and watch content from the internet, and do anything that literally any fully functional browser would do. Now, to get this browser, you want to head over to the settings of your Nintendo Switch 2. So just scroll over to the settings icon over here, select that. And you want to scroll down until you get to the internet settings over here. Select that as well. Click on internet settings. Once it finds the name of your Wi-Fi network, you want to try connecting to it. But instead of connecting directly, you want to go over to the change internet settings over here. Select that. And then you want to continuously scroll down until you get to the DNS settings over here. By default, your DNS settings should be set to automatic. But what you want to do at this point is to just go ahead and select it and then change it to manual. In addition to that, you want to go ahead and enter the exact primary DNS settings I have over here on my Nintendo Switch 2. So go ahead and enter 045.055.142.122. Once you're done, you can go ahead and save your changes by clicking on the save button over here, then click on OK. Now at this point, you want to try connecting to your Wi-Fi network again. Click on the connect to this network option, and this particular connection is going to fail, but that is exactly what we want. So just go ahead and click on the OK button now, and automatically your Nintendo Switch 2 is going to open up this page for you. Now, in order for us to be able to access Google, we can actually just click on the go to Google option over here. And this automatically opens up Google for us on our Nintendo Switch 2. So I can go ahead and search anything I want using this Google web browser over here. I can go ahead and type YouTube. Once you're done, click on the search button, and automatically you can literally see that it actually serves and works exactly like the Google web browser. So I can go ahead and open up the YouTube app over here. And as you can see, it works pretty well. Now, this web browser also allows you to be able to do a whole lot of other things. So if you go back to the previous page over here, you can actually visit any URL directly from over here. So I just finished typing facebook.com. Once I click on visit over here, you're going to see now that this web browser also opens up Facebook directly for me on my Nintendo Switch 2 without any problem. Meanwhile, you can also come over to the DNS settings of your Nintendo Switch 2 anytime you want, and then just change the settings from manual to automatic and then just save it. Anytime you come back over here, you will also find out that the DNS settings we have over here has not been changed. So it's just going to be easy for you to change from automatic to manual DNS settings. That is how to get a fully functional browser on your Nintendo Switch 2. Please make sure you smash the like button and subscribe to this YouTube channel for more interesting tech tips like this one.